I was sent this 3-piece patio set for my review. My stepdaughter took it upon herself to put it together. So she did struggle a little bit with the instructions, but as soon as she saw the picture on the product page, she was like, oh, because she was just unsure how to actually attach the fabric. But as soon as she saw the picture, it totally made sense. So just keep that in mind because she hadn't seen it before, so she wasn't sure. So yeah, other than that, it was really easy to put together. The table probably took her like 2 minutes. And then these, once she figured it out, it was nice and simple. I love that this is fabric. I think that's really cool. So it does make it like super comfortable, really breathable to sit in. And of course, this makes it, you know, outdoor furniture because this is weatherproof for sure. I love that this little pillow here is actually attached because a lot of the times these pillows do not come attached and they end up falling off and they're all over the place. And, you know, I'm not a fan. At first, I wasn't sure because when you look at it, you can see like the pillows kind of raised a little bit. And I was like, oh, that's strange. But honestly, you'll see as soon as I sit down, it just then kind of molds down with my body. And I'm happy that pillow is there because this is a metal bar. And I feel like if that wasn't, that would probably hurt, you know, the back of your neck or the top of your back. So having this makes it super comfortable. Do love that it is metal. It is really sturdy. This holds up to 260 pounds. Really comfortable. So as you can see here, it's just like at the top of my back. So if not, that bar would be leaning there, but really comfortable and really wide. I love how wide this is. I feel like a lot of times with patio furniture, they make them so small and then, you know, I am bigger. So sitting in there, you're really squished, but I have lots of room here, really comfortable. I do like that the arm rests are a little bit wider as well. So really comfortable. I like that the cute little table matches, really comfortable. And I think really stylish, like very different looking. That's definitely something that I like about it. A lot of times the outdoor furniture is either that wicker or it's that plastic. So the fact that this is metal, but with like a really comfortable, oh, you know what? Actually, I'm just realizing here, there's even a bit of padding here in this, which is really nice. So it's not just like a thin piece of fabric, which is pretty cool. It's got some padding to it. So yeah, if you're looking for something like a little bit different, unique, but super comfortable, highly recommend.